Hello everyone. Are you wondering what living rent-free means? Let's explore. Living rent-free refers to a situation where something occupies your thoughts or attention without your intention or control. The phrase is often used to describe how a person, idea, or event lingers in someone's mind, especially when it's something they'd rather not focus on. For example, if someone is constantly thinking about a past argument or an annoying comment, you might say that the issue is living rent-free in their head. This term is used both humorously and seriously, highlighting how certain things can take up mental space without offering anything in return. In essence, living rent-free is about how certain thoughts or people can dominate your mental landscape, often against your will or best interests. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.